Hold on to your peanuts. It's time for some hilarious elephant antics. Look at this silly elephant trying to balance on a log. Oops, watch out, big guy. He's wiggling and wobbling like a pro gymnast. You got this, buddy. Next up, water fun. These elephants love splashing around. It's like their very own water park. Whoosh! Splash-tastic! Now check out this determined elephant reaching for a high branch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Almost there. Oops, too high. Nice try, champ. Here's a bunch of elephants having a friendly wrestle. They're nudging, rolling, and giggling like it's recess time. Playdate fun. And look at this adorable baby elephant chasing birds. He's flapping his tiny ears, running as fast as he can. Go, baby elephant, go. What a blast we had today. Remember, kids, everyone can have fun being silly. Like, share, and subscribe for more animal adventures. Bye-bye.